Hello everyone, my name is Zalak Palan and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you a website design project based on the original website of On Holding AG. First, let's take a look at the original website. As you can see, this website has a very modern professional design with a clean navigation bar, and well-structured layout. The UI design is very smooth and attractive. After analysis the design and struck this website, I tried to recreate a similar website as a practice project to improve my web development skill. Now let you show my website. This is the website that I built by following the layout and design experiment from the original site. I focused on responsiveness design, clean UI, and proper section structure. For building the project, I used HTML, CSS, Tailwind CSS, JavaScript, and React to create a modern and responsive interface. This project helped me improvement by my front-end development skill, UI design, understanding, and website layout building. If you like this project and like video, subscribe to the channel and share your feedback in comments. Thanks for watching.